कला अकादमीच्या आर्ट गॅलरीन भरिल्ल्या गुलमोहर चित्र प्रदर्शनाचे अकादमीचो अध्यक्ष विष्णू सूर्याबागान उक्तावण केलें. गुलमोहर ह्या एकाच विशयावेली सुमार 40 चित्रां ह्या प्रदर्शनान मांडल्यात.
Not only cheered the hearts of artists, it also gives solace to their eyes, but it also feeds the kids on the Panjim streets. This year I decided to take this theme, and the response was extremely good. Around 45 artists have participated in this exhibition, and Mr. Madhusudan is the last artist who just 1 hour back, he has done this artwork.
I'm so happy to be among with various Goan artists, senior artists. I've worked on two works on the theme of Kundalini. I've showed Malbara Kundalini and Manipura Kundalini through my photography and Gulmohar.
भारताचो सर्वोच्च नागरी सन्मान फकत कोण खेळगडो, अधिकारी वा फिल्म स्टार म्हणून दिवचो न्हय, तर जिणेन म्हान काम केल्ल्या मनशाकच दिवचो अशें मत बिलियर्ड्स म्हालगडो गीत सेठीन उक्तायला. चौगुले कॉलेजीच्या फाउंडर्स डे सुवाळ्यान तो उलयतालो.
क्यू स्पोर्टांतलो म्हालगडो गीत सेठीच्या म्हणण्या प्रमाण 35 वर्सांच्या फरकान भारतरत्न दिले जाल्यार चड बरें जातलें. तो चौगुले कॉलेजीच्या फाउंडर्स डे दिसा निमतान उलयतालो.
I personally feel a sports person's name should never be nominated for a Bharat Ratna. Not a Sachin Tendulkar, and not a Vishwanath Anand, and not a Virendra Pace. A Bharat Ratna is an award that should be given once in 35 years, and it should not be politicized to just garner public sentiment. We need to have one such award given every 30-40 years to people who have done some outstanding service. Mother Teresa, yes, a Bharat Ratna. Mahatma Gandhi, yes, a Bharat Ratna. People who have contributed to the upliftment of our nations. Industrialists, no. Sportspersons, no way. Entertainers, no way. Musicians, no way. We are all in our own personal gratification and personal pursuits of learning to play a musical instrument very well, or putting balls into a pocket, or backing a red ball with a bat. Meaningless human endeavors. There are far greater human endeavors. So the answer to the question is absolutely no. No for myself and no for none of these categories that I have. Olympic Gold Quest is basically an idea that came to me in the 2000 Olympics in Sydney, and I saw that the preparation of our athletes was not complete. And what was lacking was 2%, 3%. There was no permanent physiotherapist with our athlete. There was no dietitian with our athlete. It was considered the prerogative of people who had a lot of money and only the tennis stars. And I don't have 250 crores which government spends on our athletes. I have 3 crores which I spend very judiciously. Where I say I'm going to give a permanent physiotherapist to Saina Nehwal. I'm going to get a dietitian and a group of dietitians in place for Mary Kom, who's now going from 48 kilograms fighting for a 51 kilogram category, and they do a great job and get her weight up with no fat, only muscle. Of course it is money well spent. I wish I had 30 crores. I would have had 150 athletes and we would have got 12 medals. Medals are a function of money. Medals are a function of how much we train, how efficiently we train, and how intelligently we train.
खेळा खबराकार निखिल परेरा आणि समीर भट, प्रुडंट मीडिया खातीर.
एलआयसीन घेतिल्ल्या पश्चिम विभागीय कॅरम सर्तीन पुणेचो सुखबीर सिंग कतनोरिया दादल्यांच्या गटान जाल्यार ठाण्याची शिल्पा पाळनिटकर बायलांचे सर्तीन वस्ताद थारली. ही जैतिवंत जोडी आता अखिल भारतीय सर्त खेळटली.
Every year LIC is conducting the divisional, then zonal and all India games for the chess, carom, table tennis, badminton and athletics and volleyball. This year LIC has recruited about 75 persons from these sports events: carom, table tennis, badminton, athletics and volleyball. The winners from this tournament will participate in All India LIC Games to be held at Hyderabad from 4th November to 8th November.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेर मेळटलो. इतल्यान हे खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.